for business owners only. If you don't have a business, this is not going to be helpful to you. But if you're running a business and you've got at least 1 or 2 employees, the fact is that you are running an assembly line, whether you know it or not. That somebody comes in at the very beginning, that you're trying to serve them, you do a bunch of stuff to be able to help them, and then eventually you're done. And that assembly line can be optimized, sometimes with software, sometimes with just a deeper look into what's actually being done. But the whole idea is finding shortcuts and also being able to repeat things and have software sometimes do tasks for you. So the idea is that if you're serving, 50 different customers and it takes you X number of time to serve them, if you can, serve them but take 1 less hour for each individual customer that you serve, now all of a sudden you just printed more money in your business. You just found more profit even without finding a new customer. So the whole idea is if you can take a deeper look and work on your business instead of in your business, and you make the whole system, the whole assembly line more efficient from gas guzzler to hybrid, then you save gas, you save money, which ultimately then is just profit going right back into your pocket.